Welcome back, guys. Not quite, because today we are making two amazing Tom Collins variations for the fall season. These are autumn Collins, and we're not just using apple cider today. We're going to use apple and make an apple Collins as well as a pear Collins, because everyone forgets about pear. It's like the forgotten fruit of the fall season. Everything's about apple. So, today we're using gin, of course, to make our Collins. I'm going to use this Ungava gin. It's a Canadian gin. It's got a nice yellow color, got great botanicals, but any dry gin will work. Use what you got, but this is a fantastic gin. So yeah, 2 ounces of gin. After that, 1 ounce of apple cider. That is the pressed apple juice variety. It's not the alcoholic variety, although we are using that today. And after that, we're going to do 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Straight into the glass. We're building this directly into our Collins glass, in case you hadn't noticed. After that, 1/4 ounce of cinnamon syrup. Bet she didn't see that one coming. Not like we've used a lot of cinnamon syrup lately. Okay. And that's it for our base ingredients. We're going to top our Collins glass with some ice cubes. Grab yourself a spoon, and we're going to give it a quick stir to incorporate everything and to get a chill going. Now, and then we're going to add a straw, nice long straw. Normally here with the Collins, you would top with just some club soda, but we're going to top with a hard cider. So it's going to give us a little more sweetness, a little more booziness, and just up that apple factor. So, and give us that fizz that obviously a Collins has to have a fizziness to it. All right, give it a quick stir. That is going to be delicious. For garnish, quite obviously here, you can pretty much guess it, we're going to do some apple slices, as well as the obligatory cinnamon stick. I've gone through so many cinnamon sticks in the past month. And there it is, apple cinnamon Collins. Fantastic variation to the Tom Collins for the fall season, but we're not done yet because we've got another fruit to deal with. We're doing a spiced pear Collins. So grabbing the Ungava gin once again, where's my jigger? There it is. All right, so 2 ounces of gin going into the glass. Same as before, building this directly into a Collins glass or a tall highball glass. After that, we have 1 ounce of pear nectar, pear juice, pear puree, whatever you have. Pear flavor, use it. And then for our spice factor, in this one here, we're going to use some allspice liqueur. Click that link because I make my own, and you can check that out. And make your own allspice. This stuff is gold. I love allspice liqueur. I'm almost done. I need to make a new batch very soon. 1/2 ounce of allspice, or pimento dram as it's usually sometimes called. All right. Almost forgot the lemon juice. We're not going to put a syrup in here because the allspice is sweetened, but if you wanted, you could add a little bit of cinnamon syrup, a little bit of simple syrup, whatever you got. All right, top this bad boy with some ice, just like we did before. A little more. Grab yourself your straw, give it a quick stir, incorporate everything. And once again, you could top with just some soda, but we are topping with a hard pear cider. It's made by a local brewery that makes a whole lot of awesome ciders, growers, and yeah, they make all sorts of fruit ciders. And this pear cider is quite delicious, so we're topping with that, obviously upping that pear factor. All right, garnish, we got a nice fan of pear slices, and of course, our cinnamon stick. Where would we be without you? And there it is, guys, our spiced pear Collins. 2 awesome Tom Collins variations for the fall season, for the autumn season. Let's give them a try. So the apple, wow. I mean, right up front, strong apple flavor from both ciders, the juice and the hard cider, and a nice cinnamon kick, and then all those botanicals from the gin. Oh, another sip. All those botanicals of the gin come through afterwards. It's just fantastic. All right, the pear one. Now it's a lot, and fruit-wise, it's a lot lighter. Pear is a lot lighter, so I'm getting less fruit notes, but I do get those botanicals of the gin a little stronger, and nice spices from the allspice. I love allspice. Both of these are simply fantastic. They would be great with Great with soda, but using the ciders, great idea. All right. Oh, that's so good. One more. Double time. All right, guys. Well, I hope you give these a try. It's fun to experiment with classic cocktails and give them some seasonal flavors. And these two are winners right here. So hope you give them a try, and we will see you next time, guys. Cheers.